How to remove member from messenger group. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can remove a member from a messenger group, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if there's a certain group that you're an admin of and then now you want to remove a certain member from there, so you can tap on the profile icon from the very top of that group, and then from there you can go to this option called see chat members and just tap on the see chat members option. Then once you tap on the see chat members option here, you can simply select any of the people that you want to remove, long press on their message over there or tap on their profile, then you'll find the option called remove from group. So you can simply tap on the remove from group option if you want to remove them from your messenger group. This way you'll be able to remove member from messenger group. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.